Welcome back to Creating with Saskia. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make like a graduation poster for a shirt with AI, okay? And I created a GPT that will do this, and I name it DTF and Sublimation Art Stop. So in here, you can create a whole design for your graduate, and it will come out very, very nice. Okay, when you go to the GPT, when you open it, okay, yeah, it will come like this, okay, like create a logogram for the explanation. Start here. You will click on start here. Do know that you need a picture of your graduate to make this so that it can do it for you. Okay, it says here, hey, welcome to Glam Purpose Poster Studio. I'll help you create bold glam t-shirt design prompt, and it will give you the design. So what text do you want on your design? Choose your own, choose one or type your own. Here you can check here what you want, okay? Motivational, graduation, let's say graduation, we're going for graduation. D, please type the words in. Okay, we're going for graduation, put in D. Okay, and now go for graduation, like please type the exact words you want. Okay, give your example class, and then okay, class of 2026, comma, graduate, you can put where you want, unless you go, whichever school you can put it in. AI will find the things for you, it will do it for you. Okay, let's say I want OSU graduate, okay, and then the name of the person, let's say I put my name, okay, and then we enter it. And it's thinking, and I'll ask you, what type do you want? We want a t-shirt poster design, like a t-shirt for t-shirt. What type of do you want this for a t-shirt? We're gonna put t-shirt, okay. We are on our way. Okay, so t-shirt design. What design vibe do you want? Glam, luxury, urban, faith-based, bold, soft, colorful, elegant, and other vibe that you have. I will choose bold because I want everything to come out nice on the shirt. So, okay, it says here, bold graduate. What background color do you want? I want it white because I want to be able to remove the background in Canva. Okay, I want it white. Okay, I was thinking. Say, okay, what outfit color or style do you want for the graduate? Okay, we go for the color. I have OSU. I know the colors of OSU. They are orange, white, and black. And because I have white in it, white, okay, I will add silver to it too. Or if you want, you can add gold because of the orange. I'll add silver. Okay, and then, okay, what hairstyle do you want for the graduate? Okay, here you're going to upload your image, okay? Upload your image, recent file. Okay, I will upload the image of mine, upload my image and hairstyle, and then you can choose hairstyle. That's so amazing. So here you can upload your image and choose a hairstyle for yourself. Let's say long, um, long wavy extensions, wavy hair extensions, oh, extensions with gold highlights. Okay, with golden highlights. Extension with wavy. Okay, okay. I'll send it. So it analyzes this image for me and it will add the hair. and stuff. And it will keep asking me stuff. What shoe color do you want? Shoe color, if shoe color will be visible. I don't want shoe colors to be visible. I want from the chest up. Okay. If you want, you can have from the waist up. I want from the chest up. I will put it here from the chest up. Let me go back from the chest up. Okay. I want it from the chest. I don't want shoe and stuff to come to see. Okay, and now it's say it. Okay, no shoe will fill. What jewelry do you or accessory do you want? I can say stud earrings. Yeah, stud earrings, and let me go back. Stud earrings, and I can say glam makeup. Yeah, that's all. Glam makeup. Okay, and then it's working. Okay, what typography style do you want for the text? You see here what typography style. Gold glitter, glam lettering, bold varsity block letters. We're going for graduation, so we want this one. Okay, we want this one and glossy calligraphy. So you can just copy, paste, comma, and let's see, glossy calligraphy, and paste it back in here, like both. Okay, so it's working. We use varsity block letters because with graduation we want college fonts and all those good stuff. What decorative elements do you want? You can see it here. Sparkles, diploma, graduation cap. We don't want graduation cap. School mascot. Okay, we want sparkles. You can copy sparkles, copy paste, or you can also, no, I don't want to copy everything. Paste. Let me remove it really quick. You're gonna copy this. You want diploma also, so these two. You're gonna paste them, comma, school mascot, crown, hearts, stars, glitter accents. Let's say glitter accents, okay? We want to make it really well. So even if you don't know how to make it in Canva, you can make it in AI. So we don't need Canva for everything, okay? So it's working to generate the image. Okay, so it gave us the prompt, okay? It gave us the prompt. It gave us the prompt. Don't worry about it. Do not worry. Just put in here image or create image and it will create it for you. The thing is, you will think, oh, I'm going to copy the prompt and bring it somewhere else. If you copy the prompt and bring it somewhere else, you need to bring the picture as well, okay? You need to take the picture and bring the picture as well, okay? Because it says here, using the uploaded photo as the face and likeness reference. Do not change the person's face, facial structure, nice. Keep her face recognizable and polished. Keep it clean to make it very nice, okay? Let's go. Let's wait over here. This is so easy, guys. You do not need Canva with this. You don't need a Canva template. No. You can bring it into Canva, remove the background, or bring it to remove the LBG and remove the background. You see, but you do not need Canva. You don't need Canva. Look at this. Class of 2026 OSU graduate and orange. And this is the guy, the mascot. The mascot is right here. Okay. And this is it. And I can put this on a shirt. If I want to, I can go back in here and I can state add a cap on the graduate. You see, you can have one with a cap and one without the cap. Okay. Add the cap on the graduate. Let's go down and see. So it's designing another one for us where it will add a cap to the graduate. Yeah, OU yeah, this is the cowboy thingy of the, with this, the mascot of OSU. Look at that. Okay, you see that? It added a graduation cap. You can, if you want, you can go back and, and say, make the cap orange, or make it white, or make it silver, whatever you want, it will do it for you with this one. You see that this is amazing. One with the cap, one without the cap, and one with the cap. Okay. Even if you want to change the colors and the mascot, okay, change the color and the mascot. Let me show you something really quick. You can go here and say, change the colors to purple and orange, purple, orange, gold, and the college to LSU. OSU mascot. Okay, and you see here it will change it for you. I'm telling you, this GPT is amazing. You do not need Canva to put everything together. You have to, when you have this, you can use it every year, over and over again. Also, when it designed the prompt for you, okay, when it designed the prompt for you, you can bring the prompt together with the picture. You can bring it to Gemini, all the other ones there where you can design images, and it will design images for you, okay? It will design the image for you. Okay, let's see. Do you see that? Do you see that? Do you see that? It changed everything for me to how do you call this color? Gold and purple. And you see here, and it changed the mascot also. And you see here LSU. This is amazing. This is amazing. This is amazing. And for instance, if you have another picture, let's say I would upload another picture, for instance, or add a picture from my computer. Let's say I would add someone else. Let me find another picture of someone else in my computer. Okay, let's say this lady. Okay, use this image in the use this image in the image above. Okay, let's see how it will change. Do you see that? Do you see this? Do you see what I've done? I have changed the image by uploading another image and ask it to do this. You see that? So for instance, if you have orders to create t-shirts for people, for their graduates, you can do the same thing with this GPT. Why? Because I built it so that it can help you put things together, okay, so that it can do it really, really well for you. Look, it only changed the image. You see, it changed the image and put the cap on. It just changed the image, but everything else is there. Okay. Okay. So and after you have this, look what you do. You download it, like you can copy it and save it. Download it, bring it into Canva. You copy it to your clipboard. Okay. Bring it into Canva. Go here to create for printing, like DTF and all those things. You can go down here, and then we go to create. Have we create already? Let's go down here. Create a design. Yeah, custom size. For shirts, let's put in our own thing. Let's go for inch. Let's say 12 by 12. 12 by 12, or if it's smaller, you do it smaller. Okay, create a design. And now you come in here and upload your image, or if you copy it, you can just paste it in here. Okay, I will paste it. Let me go back really quick. Right click, copy. Okay, image copied. Go to Canva, paste it in here. Okay, here is our image. You do two things. You can remove the background. Okay. Sometimes the background will remove all your good things. Maybe you don't want that. Okay, it didn't really scrape anything from the image. Okay, let's put a color in here to see if it messed up our design. Let's put this one. Okay, let's put blue. Oh yeah, it messed up our design right here. Let's go in. It messed up the design here. What do? You you go to edit. You look for, you want to edit this. Okay, go to, okay, VG remover, click on it, and then you go to restore, and then you're going to restore this guy. You see, we're gonna restore this guy. Restore this guy's face. Okay, we go X, and then we see we have restored this guy. You can go back and do here. Okay, so you have the design, and you can go to edit also. Go to edit, scroll down, and you can add filters over your design. If you think the colors are not there, fresco is really beautiful. You see that? You can add, you can like add the filter over it, and then you have your design. Okay, let's delete the background, and then you have your DTF design to print on your shirt. Okay, and you have it here. Also for sublimation, you can do 13 by 19. For sublimation paper, right here, you go and change you resize it. Let's see here, you resize it, go to custom size, height 19, and here 13. Okay, and resize this design, and it will give you 13 by 90 so that you can print it in your on your sublimation paper. Thank you so much for watching. I will leave the link of this GPT down below here, and you can get it, and you can use this every single year. You don't need Canva to put all this together, because you can put it together in ChatGPT, and the GPT will help you because I built everything in there, and you can make all other designs in it also. But today we did the graduation design for the t-shirt. Thank you so much for watching, and do not forget to subscribe. Thank you. Bye.